Are you struggling with trying to find products from Alibaba and don't know what to sell? Don't know what is new or what is hot selling inside the market? You can find your product from this electronics exhibition and talk with your supplier face to face. Right now, I'm in Shenzhen, China electronics exhibition. By end of this video, you will find your 7-figure winnings, or at least you will get inspired by new ideas. Let's go. This supplier over here, I think they have the newest product in the market. Their product is really interesting. Over here, they have a sock like this, and inside the sock, where is it, have something like this. After pressing this button, it can make your food warmer from this part. You can just customize it according to your market. Also, they have some product like this. This one is a hand warmer power bank, and it's a night light at the same time. And this is a hand warmer and a power bank at the same time. And they have another new product like this one. Just need to like stuck it on your clothes like this, and it's a fan, so you can wear it like this. It can make you feel cooler for the whole day, and you can even wear it while you are running or while you are climbing mountain, I don't know, because it won't get down or something like that. Also, they have some kind of night lights over this part with some cute designs. So this part I will just show it to you. Yeah, this is the supplier. I like it so much. Here from this supplier, I find a product that is super useful. You can connect it with your laptop like this, and every screen you can use it separately like this. I just need to move my mouse like this to here. It's like you only have one laptop, but you have 3 different screens that you can use it separately. They also have this kind of 3 screen. If you want, you can connect your laptop with 5 screens at the same time, so you can just use 6 screens at the same time. I think it's super useful, and by the way, it's also a portable product, and it's their design. They have the copyright. Over here, there is a display like this. While you're putting video or picture outside, you can put it back of your phone. That it can be connected with your camera, and you'll be able to see yourself on the display. I think it's a really useful product for the people who want to shoot video or take picture with the back camera. It also have bigger screen or smaller screen, so you can choose the one that you want. So this supplier over here, they have lots of new products related with cooler. I will show you one by one. So first of all, over here they have this kind of product. It's a phone cooler. If you are, for example, in the car and your phone getting hot easily, you can use this kind of phone cooler, and at the same time you can charge your phone with this 2-in-1. And this one's AI phone cooler. It can check your phone temperature automatically. Phone temperature is up to 10 degrees. Just start to work with your phone at the same temperature. Start to work and stop to work according to your phone temperature. And over here, I have this product. Let's take a look. This is a portable rain shoe. It's small in size and runs on battery, so there is no need to plug it in. You can easily use it when camping, at picnic, or even on fishing trip. It also collects the oil residue in this small container, making it more convenient to clean. They have a car seat cooling fan. You can put it here in your car, so it's a cooler like this. They have a fan with a special design. Let's take a look. It looks like a rocket, and it also sprays mist from the bottom. There is some light in this part. It's hand warmer, and at the same time it's a power bank. You can use it to charge your phone, and at the same time you can warm your hand. It has 2 compartments, so both of your hands can stay warm at the same time. I have also seen other models for this kind of products in other places, but it was only having one. So I think this one is more practical and more smart design. Here there is this kind of smart glasses. It have a real-time translation, so it looks like this. You can listen to the music, you can take picture, and it can translate what you are hearing at the real time. It's a really useful product. Here there is some interesting product like this. It's a power bank, at the same time a video game. You can play games while you are charging your phone. Have more than one kind of game. The language can be in English, so you don't need to worry about the language. And also they have the power bank with the mirror. This kind of cute design. In here they have this kind of hair beauty product. They have the mini version, and they have the new design for their product. Also they have the certifications for their design. This is their newest product. Can be a hair dryer. If you take away this, you can use it to straighten your hair. 2-in-1. It have 2 buttons, blue for cool, great for heat. The cool setting also helps protect your hair better. So this is where they are selling the scent diffuser. This is the perfume oil. You can buy the one that you like. Also, you can buy these things from the supplier. This one you can control it with the remote. Also, you can control it with the application. That means that when you're not at home, you can also control these things. You can change the concentration. Also, you can control the time from 1 hour to 4 hour or 8 hour. They have also different kind of designs. This is their boxes with this kind of magnetic. Oh, I'm sorry. That's it. So this one over here, I think their prices is kind of crazy because over here they have the sweeping robot. It's less than $2 USD. If you have a head hair shedding problem in your home, the sweeping robot can vacuum the small head hair. I will use it and show it to you. It's really smart. But they have all kind of different cleaning products. Mini washing machine can help with cleaner. Also the intelligent automatic wash mopper for the personal care. This is the portable irrigator. And let's see how it works. Yeah, so it can spray water from here. You can use it outdoor. The cleaning brushes. You can just clean your bag with this product. This is how it's works. Intelligent bagging machine. Multifunctional cleaning brushes. This head you can change it. Have 6 brush head like a blush brush, coaching brush, and whatever. If you compare their prices with Alibaba, you will see that their price have a big difference. For sure, they are the factory. This is their factory. Here there is a factory that they are selling the shaver. So they have lots of new designs. For example, like this one. The noise is really small. It's not noisy. For this one, you can change these things easily. And they also have the new designs like this one. It's their own design and they have the copyright for this. And also it looks really nice. I think it looks really high quality. Mainly they are a factory for the beauty product. You can try their product.
这个在俄罗斯卖的很好的这种。
They will try it for us. Also, it can work automatically like this. You just need to put your hair inside it. This is how long time you need to wait. Just 1 second. Okay. So I find another supplier for the same product, but the idea is a little bit different. It's a laptop stand with 2 different screens. After connecting it with your laptop like this, to be able to use your laptop, like it has 3 different screens. Okay, let's take a look. Like this. They have different colors for this product. So this supplier over here, they have lots of power bank and some charger. This one is a wireless charger. This is the shape of Tesla's car. I can just connect it. Right now it's charging. After I touch here, it will scroll like this. Also, here there is a place that you can charge your AirPod. Here, after I touch this place, there is a place that I can charge my Apple Watch. This is how it looks like. This is a coffee grinder with a new design. I believe this style could do really well in the Middle East market or in Turkey. They also have a coffee machine and other products with a similar design. I think the color is nice. Also, it don't have any noise, so maybe you can try this one.
I have many of this design, similar design. Also for laptop. So it will save you shipping cost. It's very light. Also have a very new design. Just to show this time in this exhibition like this, and then open like that. And then put this. It's a small button. All the design is our patent design with the certification. We have our own laser machine. Like this, you can also use it like a power bank. Yeah. Battery. And the one. This is magnetic stand holder, and this is the speaker.
Power on.
Yeah. These are many designs without the holders, with wireless chargers, ultra machine. Oh, this one can be utilized.
Do you need MOQ for your product?
Yes, normally 1,000 pieces, but I think some because this price is a little higher, so maybe 500. Sorry.
500 pieces.
Yeah, this can change that. This also can support the wireless charging for phone, for AirPods, and this is for watch.